Unit 7, Activity 11, which I have given a homework. First one, what was offers? You can find it at the first paragraph, I think. He was offers was a famous musician. Famous musician. These grade 10, unit 7, activity 11, which are homeworks, and we are discussing them. One of the homeworks I have given. Why was offers called a great musician? Why? Let's see why. Why he was called a great musician. Because it is in the first paragraph, line 5. Yeah, 5. Yeah. Because why? Question start with why. Question why is because danoni. Because no one could resist his music. Because no one could resist his music. The second question was why I said the answer. Because because no one could resist his music. Who was Eurydice? Who was Eurydice? Let's see who was Eurydice. A nymph, or you can say a wood nymph. Nymph or wood nymph. Okay, I'm going to unmute all of you. So not unmute, let you unmute. Okay. Who was Eurydice? One is the office wife, Anitaka a wood nymph. Both are okay, yeah? Right. Whom did Orpheus meet on his way to the underworld? Who? Kavadhammuni. Let's see. Any answers? One question missed.
Boatman.
Sarvada?
Boatman. Charot.
Yeah. The boatman. Yeah. I missed the first question. Very sorry. Yeah. Let's see. What happened to her? Then what happened to her? What happened to her? The question that I missed is what happened to her? What happened to her then? Yes, no ideas. What happened to her?
One day she had a misfortune of
Stepping on a snake.
And the snake bit her and she died.
Yes. One day, unfortunately, she stepped on a snake and something like that. There was. One day she had a misfortune of stepping on a snake and the snake bit and she died. Something like that. Okay, then whom did? Okay, the boatman. Question number 4. The answer is boatman. I think Oras or something like the name is Nama Oras Sarimokar Namane. I can't remember exactly. Yeah, Namakar. මම මේ බුඩ බලන්න නැතුව මේ ඔයගලට පේනවනේ මම නිකන් හරි මේක move කරා ඔයගලට පේනවා ෂෙයා කරලා තියෙන ස්ක්‍රීන් එක මම මේ මතකයෙන් කියන්න හොඳේ ලේසියින්ද How did he convince everybody to let him take Eurydice back? How did he convince everybody? යා හැම කෙනාම කොහොමද convince ඇඟෙව්වේ යාට නම්ම ගත්තේ Eurydice නැවත ගේන්න How did he do so? Yes, any answers? Okay, Buddha.
Play his beautiful
Yes.
music and they feel sad about him.
Yes. By Nathan from playing his music. By Harry Ganaplonica. Yes, correct. Why was offers not successful? Give reasons for your answer. Why? I asarthakuni. Hetu kyan bar why?
Because he break the promise and he became impatient.
Yes. Because he broke the promise. Natham because he couldn't bear to wait. Em ganna pulwa. Kerete em ganna pulwa. Hari. Anyway. Right. Next one. What lessons can we learn from this story? Okay, what are the lessons you can learn? You, anyone can learn. මොනවද මේකේ ඉරන්න පුළුවන් lessons ටික? Any ideas? I want ideas. Hurry up then. Yes. Any of you can tell ideas, huh? කාටුන කමන්න කියන්න. Ani, no ideas, no. Tell me any idea, please. Hurry up. No ideas. No one has any idea then. Okay, my idea. I'll tell, huh? Oh, Vidara has sent me patience is virtue. And Mihidu has, Mihidu not Mihidu, then it must be Mihidu's sister. Both have sent the same answer. Okay. Yeah, that is okay. Yeah, that's better. That's correct. Good. What lessons? No, you can tell more lessons then. Tahu මොන හරි කියන්න පුළුවන්. Patience, you can. Patience is virtue or something like that. Then what else? Tahu ideas? I remember like this. Okay, කලින් අවුරුදු ළමෙක් කිව්වා slow and steady wins the race කියලා. Slow and steady wins the race. මේකට මැච් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. නමුත් ඒකත් පොඩි හියුම් එකක් තියෙන එතන හාස්‍යයක් තියෙනවා ඉතින්. More ideas. Nothing. Okay then, my ideas. Led by con, be by con. කියපු දේවල් අත්තර දාන්න නේද? ඒක පස්සේ අරගෙන අත්තර දාන්න. එකක් මම නිකන් ජෝක් එකට හියුම කිව්වේ හරි. anyway හොඳයි. හරි. 12. Probably we did this one. I can't remember. Let's see. Give me a second to see it. Whether we have done. No, not. 12. To be done. To be discussed. Admired. Admired means agaya kala. The meaning is agaya kala. Admired. Admired means agaya kala. Then what is the matching answer? Let me know please if you have written already. Okay, Himansa has said held in high regard. Okay. Yes, some more answers are here. Yes, held in high regard. Yeah. Okay. Envied means envy කියලා කියන්නේ පුදු ඉරිසියා කරනවා. So admired සහ envy is both different නා. එතකොට feared කියන්නේ බය වුණා. Then the answer is held in high regard. ඔය හරි. Correct. මට පුතේ කවුරුරේ ටක් ටක් ගාලා answers ටික කියන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් ඒක interactive නෑනේ class එක. ඒක තේරුමක් නෑ නේද? So that's why I'm asking නා. charm කියන්නේ පුතේ මනහර එතකොට නෑ අර මනවද මනස්කෘත කරනවද මොකද්ද නිකන් අර අපි කෙනෙක් අල්ල ගන්නවට කියන්නේ මනස්කෘත අනේමද මොකක් කරා like something like that හරි එහෙම එකක් තමයි අදහස් එන්නේ කෙනෙක් වසන් කර ගන්නවා වගේ එකක් charm. Yes, so amuse means okay, let's see. Fascinated. One answer is fascinated. Let's see. Yeah, fascinated. Amuse කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ ගන්න බෑ අපිට amuse කියන answer එක. මේ මොකද amuse කියන්නේ හිනාව ලක් කරනවා වගේ දසන්නේ amuse කරනවා නිකන් හරි. Fascinated කියන්නේ යාව ටිකක් අර charm කරනවාම තමයි. Saddened කියන්නේ දුක් වුණා. So the answer is fascinated. Correct. Everybody has had a misfortune to step on a snake. Misfortune, avasanawa, bad luck, ability, fear. Which one then?
Bad luck.
Bad luck, sure, bad luck. Yeah, bad luck. Okay, correct. Yes, bad luck. The persuasion means not a bad one, but it's a beautiful one. But there may be some improper things because every English movie has something, so I can't recommend everyone to watch it. But as a film, wow, fantastic. The persuasion kind of film එකේ තියෙන්නේ ලෝකේ number 1 companies කොහොමද පොඩි companies ඉදිරියට එනවා නම් ඒවා විනාශ කළා ඒවා සම්පත් අරගෙන companies වල තියෙන සියල්ල විනාශ කළා දාන විදිය. ලොකු company එකකට තේරෙනවා මේ පොඩි companies වලට එයි Tamanට අභියෝගයක් වෙයි කියලා ඒගොල්ලෝ පොඩි company කාලෙම ඒ සම්පත් ටික ඒ දැනුම අරගෙන අර company විනාශ කරන plan එක තියෙන විදිය. Anyway, I'll tell the answers again. Admired, held in regard because someone has asked එකෙක් අහලා තිනවා. Charm, fascinated. Misfortune, bad luck. Brave, fearless. Afraid, scared. Peerless, dangerous. Refuse, decline. Pursued, convinced. Amazed. Yes, what is amazed then? Okay, your answer is correct. Astonished පුදුුණා. Correct. sad and දුක් වුණා match ඉන්නේ made happy කියන සතුටු වුණා astonished තමයි එන්නේ. Purpose අරමුණ which one then? Purpose අරමුණ. Then yes, your answer is correct සිතිල්. මෙත්සුක cause කියන්නේ හේතුව එතකොට result කියන්නේ ප්‍රතිඵලය time කියන්නේ කාලය. නෑ result කියලා පුතා වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. It's wrong then. Answer is cause. Purpose means cause. Okay, cause, not result. Okay, 14 answers. List out the characters introduced in the tale. Okay, let me know the characters. Who are the characters then? Okay, send me who are the characters.
Father and 4 boys.
Father and 4 boys. Okay, correct. Who succeeded in the mission of breaking the sticks and how? කවුද සාර්ථකුනේ මේ sticks ලී කෑලි කඩන්න සහ how කොහොමද ඒක සාර්ථකුනේ? Who and how?
The youngest one.
The youngest son. Yes. How?
Took one stick at a time and easily broke all of them.
Yes. How කියන නිසා මෙහෙම කරමු පුතේ. Taking නැත්නම් by taking. Taking one stick at a time. How නේ කොහොමදනේ? එතකොට taking අරගෙන. took කියොත් ගත්තා. Taking අරගෙන නැත්නම් by taking අරගෙනීම මගින් both are correct. ඒක ඉගෙන ගන්න ක්‍රමය. Because you are really nice and I know you can have better results, so learn this. දක්ෂ කට්ටිය ගොඩක් ඕගොල්ලන්ට you can all you all ඕගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොම මේ අලුත් add-ins ටිකක් Tamanට knowledge එක විතර දාගන්න. how එකට ගොඩක් වෙලාට ing දාන එක ලස්සනයි. by taking නැත්නම් taking. What does they in the last sentence refer to? Last sentence එකේ they refer වෙන්නේ කාටද? Let's see they I didn't see it yet. Let's see they. I don't know, I couldn't find. They. They never fought. They. This one no. මේක නේ පුතේ they එක. They never fought. They නේද? Okay. Yes. The sons නැත්නම් the 3 sons. මේ 3 or 4 පුතේ ඔක්කොම 4ද? 3 no? Okay. Yes, correct. Sons or 3 sons all are okay. Do you agree with his father's advice and why? ඔයා agree වෙනවද? ඔයා එකඟ වෙනවද මේ තාත්තගේ advice එකක් එක්ක? එහෙමනම් why? ඇයි එකඟ වෙන්නේ? Both. Yes, any ideas? Okay, 4 sons, no, not 3 sons. Okay, 4 sons. Sorry, I linked in 4 sons. Not sons, because there are 4 sons. Good. For this one, please let me know. Do you agree with this father's advice? ඔගොල්ලෝ මේ තාත්තගේ advice එකත් එක්ක agree වෙනවද? Yes the no the? You have one option. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then why?
It is very useful for our life.
Okay. Yes. I think Sitil has sent me. I think it is good for polite. It is good for polite people. It is good for people. It is good for us. It is a good advice because we must be the members of family must be peaceful or harmony, live in harmony. Must be united. Or unity is strength. Because unity is very important in family. Anything මේ ඕන එකක් කමන්නේ. එකත් ලස්සනයි. Anything is okay. Yes. Let me know please. Do you agree with this part? Yes, okay, it's done. No? Why? මං කිව්වනේ I said it. If you had been there, ඔබ හිටියා නම් how would you have created a bond between them? ඔයා එහි හිටියා නම් කොහොමද ඔයා bond එකක් හදන්නේ ඔවුන් අතර? How do you do so? ඔයා කොහොමද ඒක කරන්නේ? කොහොමද ඔයා bond කරන්නේ? Yes. Let me know please. Hurry up then. If you had been there, how would I have created a bond? ඔයා හිටියා නම් කොහොමද bond එකක් හදන්නේ? Let me know please. Hurry up. Okay, no ideas? How? No ideas? We could have forced, no? බලපෑම් කරන්න තිබ්බා. That you must be united for fun, huh? So what else then? We could advise them in a kind manner. We could have created a similar situation and make them understand the importance between family members, between and among family members. Okay, something like that is better. We could have made them understand. We could have made them understand of the importance of unity between and among family members. Suggest a suitable title for the tale. Yes, any ideas? No ideas? Hurry up, someone please hurry up, tell me. What has happened? All are silent. Maybe you don't hear me or what? I don't know, whatever. Yes. Make a title like a matrukawa. Simple. Hurry up. Mukti, at least. Mukti, yes. No ideas. Title like a matrukawa nekadaat ne. Okay then. I think it's better to tell family bonds. Family bonds.
Value of unity.
Value of unity. Yes, something like that. Okay then, let's see next one. What is the proverb associated with this story? Complete the activity given in the workbook. We can do the workbook activities later, so I'm skipping this one, going to next one. That is 15. Probably have completed this chart. We can do this one in class 2, but for now, let's see. We can't. Okay. Read this description and find the relevant story types from the word maze given in when something is associated with textbook. I would not the textbook but the workbook. I would do it in the class, not in this online class. Here's a song and I like to let you hear this one. It's a beautiful song. I like it. Let's see. This is, I think, let me see, Simba's Pride, no? No, We Are One, yeah. Okay, allow me a moment. We Are One. I'm searching, We Are One.
That's like saying you don't want to be a... Want to be a lion. It's in your blood. As I am. We are part of each other. As you go through life, you see there is so much that we don't understand. And the only thing we know is things don't always go the way we plan. But you'll see every day that we'll never turn away. When it seems all your dreams come undone, we will stand by your side, filled with hope and filled with pride. We are more than we are one.
If the courage I
is our pride deep inside. We are one. We are one, you and I. We are like the earth and sky. One family under the sun. All the wisdom to lead, all the courage that you need. You will find when you see we are one. As long as you live here, it's who you are. You'll understand someday.
Okay, and this is the song. We are one. This is a song by Tom Snow. Music by Tom. You know, this Simba's Pride, Lion King 2, Simba's Pride film is, and the music by Tom Snow. Lyrics by Marty Spencer and Mark Feldman. Performed by Cam Clark, Charity Sanoy, Lady Smith, Black members, and chorus, something like that. I don't know who they are or whatever. Anyway, this we are one. I think you heard it well. නැති කියලා මම හිතනවා මොඩ හොඳට ඉනිෂියල් එකක් තිබ්බම මට දාන්න. 16 we can do it later because it is a workbook activity, and let's see 17 then. Which of these ideas are conveyed through the song? Make mark true or false. You have to go through the song again and mark true or false. Okay, first one. Life is complex and unpredictable. True or false? Life is complex and unpredictable. True or false? What do you say? True or false? What do you say? Hurry up. Yes, no ideas? Yes, this true පුතේ. Complex කියන සංකීර්ණයි. තේරුම් ලියාගන්න. Write the meanings. Complex සංකීර්ණයි. Unpredictable අනාවැකි පළ කළ නොහැකි. Okay, it is there somewhere in this lyrics. මේක හරි තියෙනවා. මට දැන් go through කරන්න අමාරුයි පාරක්. නමුත් life එක complex and unpredictable. සංකීර්ණ සහ අනාවැකි පළ කරන්න බෑ. ජීවිතය කියන්නේ ඉතාමත්ම අනාවැකි පළ කරන්න නොහැකි අමාරු සහගත දෙයක්. කවුද හිතුවේ නේද කොවිඩ් කියන එකක් එයි කියලා. අනාවැකි පළ කළ නොහැකි, unpredictable, complex, ඉතාම සංකීර්ණ. යා, it is easier to bear දරා ගන්න disappointments කියන්නේ බලාපොරොත්තු කඩවීම together එකට than alone තනියමට වඩා තනියම දරා ගන්නට වඩා තමන් together කෙනෙක් සමග තම සහෝදරයෝ ගෙදර ඇත් එක සමග ප්‍රශ්නයක් විදරා ගන්න එක පහසුයිලු. That's true. ඒක true. We are stronger when we are alone. අපි තනි වුණාම ශක්තිමත් වැඩිලු. That is false. We must take care of only our family. අපි අපේ පවුලේ කට්ටිය විතරක් ගෙන හිව්වම ඇතිලු. That is false. We have to care for the others too. The whole world is one big family. Whole කියන සමස්ත මුළු ලෝකෙම එක ලොකු විශාල පවුලක්. That is true. What do you under one sun කියලා හරි one sky හරි තිබ්බම මතකයි ඒක true. What do you think is the relationship between the two main characters? මේ කවුද මොකක්ද ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ සම්බන්ධතාවය? What do you think? මේ characters දෙන්නගේ සම්බන්ධතාවය. I think father and son. I can't remember exactly. I think father and son. Let's see. I think, don't know. As I remember, Simba says to, this father and son. Simba says to Kiara, your journey has only begun. What does it mean? මොකක්ද ඒකෙන් කියන්නේ? Your journey has only begun. වාගේ ගමන දැන් පටන් ගත්ත විතරයි. It means he has just started his life, or to understand the life. You can say even that you have just started the life or just started to understand the life. ජීවිතය ආරම්භ කළා පමණයි ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, ජීවිතය වටහා ගන්න ආරම්භ කළා පමණයි. Anything. Both are okay. What is the main idea of this song? That is also unity is strength, something like that. Okay. Next is unit 8, healthy food. First, underline the difficult words, then do activity 1, that is words and meaning matching. Okay, no? Underline the difficult words and match the words and meaning in activity 1. Do so quickly and let me know once finished. Okay, someone tell me the answers. Someone, no, anyone, doesn't matter. Okay, potential. What is potential? Diyunu kala haki, vibhava. Potential means diyunu kala haki, vibhava. We call vibhava. Digestion, දිරවීම. Abundance, පිරීලා තියෙනවා. Abundance, පිරීලා තිබෙනවා. Laxative, the laxative, milk, cathartic, or what is called, stimulating evacuation of feces. That means බඩ සුද්ධ කරනවා. wholesome යහපත් ගුණදායක. wholesome යහපත් ගුණදායක, විශේෂම ගුණදායක ගුණයි කියන එක යමකට. laxative කියලා කියන්නේ බඩ අර සුද්ධ කරනවා කියන බඩ විර එකක් වගේ එකක්. hardy කියන්නේ තද අපහසු දරවනේ අර ගර්ම කලාපිය වගේ hardy crops වලටනේ යන්නේ. යක් අර ඔරතු දෙන ඒවා හැම දෙයකටම අන්න ඒ වගේ. remedy කියන්නේ ප්‍රතිකාරයක්. Arid means lacking sufficient water or rainfall. Lacking sufficient water or rainfall. Arid, lacking sufficient water or rainfall. Arid, lacking sufficient water or rainfall. Okay, let's see then what measures are. Quantity more than enough. Abundance. Quantity more than enough is abundance. Healthy, wholesome. Capacity for development, potential. Potential. Medicine, application or treatment, remedy, enduring difficult conditions. Hardy, viridi, arid. The process by which food is converted into substances, digestion. Anyway, this one, viridi, arid. The process by which food is converted into substances is called digestion. A substance that helps digestion and prevents constipation laxative, quantity more than enough, abundance, healthy, wholesome, capacity for development, potential, medicine, remedy, enduring difficult conditions, hardy, very dry, arid, process by which food is converted into substances, digestion, a substance that helps digestion and prevents laxative or laxative, whatever. Okay, come to next one. Areas where it is grown like something like that. Read the passage and on finger millet and fill in the grid. මේ passage එක කියවන්න උඩම තියෙන මේවා fill කරන්න. Areas මේ grow මේවා තියෙන areas කොහෙද? nutrient posh ද්‍රව්‍ය මොනවද? benefits වාසි මොනවද මේකේ තියෙන වාසි? food items මේකේ හදන්න පුළුවන් කෑම මොනවද? රොටි වගේ එහෙම තිබ්බා. rainfall එක මට මතකද 20 ද නැහැ 100 වගේ එකද මම මතක නැහැ. required temperature මට 100 මතක නැහැ. උෂ්ණත්වය 30 ගානක් තියෙනවා 30 ගානක් හරි වගේ ගානක් තිබ්බා උෂ්ණත්වය. required type of soil 0.5 මට මත විදියට as I remember ටග්ගල ෆිල් කර ගන්න හරියට. first one, areas where it is grown in Sri Lanka. Tell me the areas where it is grown in Sri Lanka. Okay, someone has put me the answers. Anuradhapura, Kegol, Badulla, Hambantota, Amparo or something, Ratnapura, Nuwara. Okay, I think it's correct and I don't have to see it again. Nutrients, the nutrients. What are the nutrients? Tell me the nutrients. Hurry up. Send me a message or tell. Anything is okay. Hurry up. What are the nutrients?
Vitamin B, iron, calcium.
Okay, vitamin B, iron and calcium. Okay, then good. Okay, benefits. What are the benefits? It is also rich in dietary fiber, easy to digestion, hardy cope, keeping the blood sugar level low, wholesome. Those are the ones. Then food items are good for people who are overweight. Yes, good. More food items monada? Porridge mandaka porridge තියෙනවා. Porridge තව මොනවාද? ටකලා හරි අපර. Someone send me or tell me.
Pittu, roti, hoppers, bread.
Yes, porridge, roti, bread. Yes. Idli, yes. Thank you. Required rainfall. What is the required rain? Yeah, bread also. Bread. Yeah. Required rainfall. Required rainfall. Yes, medium. Yes, medium rainfall. Temperature 11 Celsius to 27 Celsius. Good. Thank you. Required type of soil. Any idea? pH range 5.0 to 8.2. Correct. Okay, areas Anuradhapura, Kegol, Badulla, Hambantota, Ratnapura, Nuwara. Nutrients, vitamin B, iron, calcium, fiber, carbohydrates, and food that benefits easy digestion, good for people who are overweight, keeps the blood sugar level low, require rainfall medium. Food items: porridge, idli, pittu, roti, hoppers, bread. Rainfall medium, temperature 11 to 27, type of soil, pH range 5.0 to 8.2. Okay, unit 3, unit 8, activity 3. There are questions on the paragraph. Write them and let me know once finished. Hurry up then anyway. This is unit 8, activity 4. What you have to do is to edit the previous paragraph, the first paragraph, and put these ideas, details into that and make a new paragraph, which is called editing. This sort of a editing task. You have to remove the details of the paragraph, which is finger minute. I mean the paragraph is finger minute, but this is rise, so the details must be different in the paragraph. So you have to edit this. That's all. Okay, right. Let's see. Again, if you have finished, I think maybe you have to put the details from this box or chart to the above paragraph and rewrite it. Simply you can do so. It's very easy one, right? මේක කරන් තියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා කරලා සමහර මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා තිනව කරා කියලා. හොඳයි පුතේ. I'll check this one once the class started here so that it's easy for everyone. class පටන් ගත්තම මේක check කරලා බලමු. Activity, now come to activity 6. The following bar graph shows means පෙන්නනවා the percentages of children who consume පරිභෝජනය කරන wheat based තිරිඟු ආශ්‍රිත food in an urban area නගරාශ්‍රිත ප්‍රදේශයක. Study the graph and write a description. මේක study කරලා description එක ලියන්න. Percentages of his children who consume wheat based food products: bread, pan, roti, biscuit, string hoppers, idiyappam, pastries, pastry dravya. There are some questions. Include the following information. What does the paragraph represents? Yes, what is this paragraph about? I mean represent. This is the percentages of children who consume wheat based products, food in an urban area, like that. You have to write the answers for these questions. Hurry up then. The second one, what information is given in the horizontal, that means tiras udata digatara කියන එක මම දන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ සිංහලෙන්. දන්නේ කියන්නේ දන්නවා මට මතක නැහැ. උඩ නම් තිරස් අනිත් තිරස් මන්ද උඩ අතර තමයි vertical, දිග අත තමයි horizontal. මම එහෙම කියන්න අසල්ල ඔයගොල්ලෝ සිංහල තේරුම හොයාගන්න. උඩ අත vertical, දිගට තියෙනවා නම් horizontal. What is the most eaten? වඩාත්ම කන. What is the least? අඩුවෙන්ම. Okay, now write the answers quickly. Okay, let's discuss. What does the graph represent? I said the answer. What information is given in horizontal? Let's see horizontal. Food items. The food items, vertical percentages. Okay, good. Most eaten. What is the most eaten one? Any idea? Most eaten? Biscuit. Okay, thank you, Himansa. And least eaten? What is least? What is the least eaten? Anyone? No ideas? Yes, bread and pastries. They are equal. Bread and pastries. You may use the following words: less, least, many, more, most, equal. Put these numbers. My numbers stay adina dagan. Most ekada dagan 1. Most 1. More number 2. Many number 3. Less number 4. Least number 5. Most number 1. More number 2. Many number 3. Less number 4, least number 5. ඔය පිළිවෙලට තමයි එතකොට අපි ලියනකොට ලියනක වඩා ලේසි පැටලෙන්නේ නැතුව ඉන්න. ඒතර equal දාන්න සමාන දෙකක් තියෙනවනේ equal දානවා. Right. Using the paragraph you have written as a model, describe the pie chart. given in your verb book එක verb book එකක් ටිකක් so we can do it in the classroom. Okay, now let's move to connectives. This note is about connectives. On connectives, connectives are called adverbs. They are usually adverbs. Okay, first write the note. Connectives, not the note but the point. Connectives, hurry up, write connectives / conjunctions. Connectives සම්බන්ධීකාරක පද. They are also called adverbs. Adverbs ක්‍රියා sorry not adverbs මේ conjunctions. Connectives are also conjunctions. Now ලියන්න පුතේ connectives / එලිරක් / conjunctions සමුච්ච නිපාත. ත සම්බන්ධීකාරක පද. Conjunctions නැත්නම් සමුච්ච නිපාත සම්බන්ධීකාරක පද. Now write these examples with space to write the meaning. මේ example ටික පුතේ ලියන්න meanings ගැන ඉඳ තියලා then I will explain. මම ඊතර explain කරන්නම් මේක කියලා දෙන හැරෙම note එක. Connectives කියලා ලිව්වා. slash එකක් දැම්ම / එකක් conjunctions ලිව්වා. තේරුම් වෙන්නේ සමුච්ච නිපාත සම්බන්ධීකාරක පද. Then write the examples and let me know. There are 6 examples here. Then I will explain. I will give the meaning and then I will explain the note too. Okay, hurry up then. මේ note ටික then ලියාගෙන මට message එකක් දාන්න. ඉක්මන් කරමු. Connectives or conjunctions are adverbs. They connect two sentences. Singiti likes to have rice for breakfast. Singiti කැමති උදේ ආහාරයට බත් කන්න. While her brother likes string hoppers. ඇගේ සහෝදරයා ඉදියාප වලට කැමති වන අතරේ එසේ වෙද්දීත් ඒ වන අතරේ සිංගිති කැමති රයිස් වලට. While කියන අතරේ ඒ එසේ වන අතරේ මෙය මෙසේ වේ. බලන්න ඊළඟ sentence එක හදපු ඇටි. While මුලට දැම්මම මෙන්න මේ idea එක ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න. English වල conjunctions එවත් connectives මුලට දැම්මම ඒ sentence එකේ අගට තමයි අර්ථය එකතු වෙන්නේ. උදාහරණයක් Singiti likes to have rice for breakfast කියන්නේ Singiti කැමති උදේ ආහාරයට rice කන්න. While her brother likes string hoppers කියවම තේරුම් වෙන්නේ ඇගේ සහෝදරයා ඉදියාප කන්න කැමති අතරේ. ඒතර අතරේ කියන එක එකතු වෙන්නේ මැද්දට නෙමෙයි සිංහලෙන් ගත්තම දෙවෙනි sentence එකේ අගට. එහෙනම් while එක ඉස්සරහා තිබ්බට එයාගේ පිටිපස්සේ sentence එකට තමයි අර්ථය එකතු වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් while මුලට ආම while Singiti's brother likes to have string hoppers කියවම සිංගිතිගේ සහෝදරයා ඉදියාප කන්න ආස අතරේ she likes to have rice කියලා එනවා. හරි? තේරෙනවද? එතකොට කොහේ හරි කමන්නේ මේ connective එක conjunction එක තියෙන තැන බලන්න එයාට පිටිපස්සේ කෙනාට ඒකේ සිංහල අර්ථය ඔයගොල්ලෝ දාලා තේරුම් ගන්න. you know how to put the sinhala meanings. සිංහල meanings ඕනේ නැහැ. තමන්ට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් හිතන්න පුළුවන් අය ඉන්නවනම්. උපතින් ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරපු අය ඉන්නවනම් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් හිතන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට නෙමෙයි මම මේ කියන්නේ. අනිත් අය මුලින්ම මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ දේ තමයි මේ connective හෙවත් conjunction එක තියෙන්නේ කොතනද? එයාට පිටිපස්සේ වාක්‍යයට අර්ථය එකතු කරගන්න. එහෙනම් පළවෙනි එක ගත්තොත් වෙන්නේ Singiti likes ඔය කතාව වැඩක් නෑ අපිට while her brother එකට තමයි එකතු වෙන්නේ අතරේ කියන එක. හරි? second එක breakfast උදේ ආහාරය is the most important meal of the day. උදේ ආහාරය තමයිලු දවසේ වඩාත්ම වැදගත් ආහාරය. හැබැයි තාම although එකතු වෙන්නේ ඒකට නෙමෙයි සිංහල තේරුමට ගත්තොත් අපි. although many people skip it. එහෙනම් ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු එය මගහැරින නමුත් although එකතු වෙන්නේ දෙවෙනි එකට. although many people skip it. ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු එය මගහරින නමුත් එහෙනම් although many people skip breakfast it is the most important meal of the day කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අර විදිහටම ගත්තොත් දැන් although එකතු වෙන්නේ පළවෙනි කෙනාට. ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු මගහරින නමුත් එය තමයි හොඳම වඩා උදේ ආහාරය තමයි වඩාත්ම වැදගත් වන්නේ කියන එක. Mr. Pereira enjoys preparing pig too. Sorry, not Mr. Mrs. මිසිස් පෙරේරා අර රත්ති බොන එක්කෙනක් දන්නේ නැහැ. හරි? මේ කැමැතිම හදන්න ආසම දේ තමයිලු පිට්ටු. even though it takes time. even though එකතු වෙන දෙවෙනි ගානේ නම් එය වෙලා යන වැඩක් වන නමුත් even though එසේ නමුත් even though it takes time Mrs. Pereira enjoys preparing pittu. කොහොම නම් මතක තියාගන්න මේ conjunction එක එයාට පිටිපස්සේ දින sentence එකට තමයි අර්ථාන්විතය ගත්තම අර්ථයක් විදිහට එකතු වෙන්නේ. I do not know how to prepare laddu though I have tasted it. මං කාලා තිබෙන නමුත් මම දන්නේ නැහැ පිට්ටු හදන්න. මම ඒ කාලා තිබෙන නමුත් ඊළඟ බණ ඉනිස් although I have tasted pittu මං කාලා තිබෙන නමුත් පිට්ටු I don't know how to prepare කොහොමද හදන්න කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. Some people still prefer to eat fast food in spite of its health risk. Some හරක් මිනිස්සු still prefer තාමත් ආසයි to eat fast food. ඔය කෙටි ටක් ගාලා හදන ආහාර වර්ග නැත්නම් කඩේ තියෙන ඒවා fast food ඔය ටක් ගාලා කරන noodles වගේ ඒවා in spite of its health risk. ඒකේ තියෙන සෞඛ්‍ය අවදානම් තිබියදීත් ඒවා නොසලකා in spite of its health risk. එහි සෞඛ්‍ය අවදානම් නොසලකා some people still prefer to eat fast food. සමහර මිනිස්සු fast food කරනවා. whenever කුමන වෙලාවෙ වුණත් whenever රියාසා ශනික ආහාර හොඳයි පුතේ fast food ශනික ආහාර සිංහල වර්ඩ් එක. thank you very much. මට සිංහල වර්ඩ් එක දැම්මම මට ඔවා එච්චරම මතක තියාගන්න නැහැ. thank you. anyway අවිෂ්ක whenever කුමන වේලාවක වුණත් රියාසා goes to the market with her mother. මේ රියාසා මාකට් අම්මත් එක්ක කොයි වෙලාවෙ ගියා නමුත් she likes to buy manioc. එයා මඤ්ඤොක්ක ගන්නවලු. රියාසා likes to buy manioc. එයා මඤ්ඤොක්ක ඉලදි ගන්නවා. whenever she goes කොයි වෙලාවෙ ගියත් මාකට් එකට අම්මත් සමග. now you understand the meanings. එහෙනම් write the meanings of the activity 8. in spite of එසේ වද්දීත් එය නොසලකා. those are the two meanings. ඔක තමයි අර්ථ දෙක. එසේ වද්දීත් එය නොසලකා. යමක් එහෙම වෙන නමුත් එය නොසලකා. although එසේ නමුත් even though එසේම නමුත් නේද එසේ නමුත් කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. although එසේම නමුත් ගන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. although එසේ නමුත් even though එසේම නමුත් කියලා ගමු නිකන්. වෙන්නේ කුමන වෙලාවක කවදා වුණත් while අතරේ. දැන් sentence දෙකේ අර්ථයක් බලලා දෙවෙනි sentence එකට එයාට පිටිපස්සේ කෙනාට තමයි එකතු වෙන්නේ කියලා මතක තියාගෙන. මුලම නම් gap එක හතරවෙනි එක වගේ පළවෙනි වාක්‍යයට එකතු වෙනවා. මැද නම් gap එක දෙවෙනි වාක්‍යයට එකතු වෙනවා අර්ථය. අන්නෙම කරලා බලන්න activity 9 එකත් කරන් තියෙන ඉක්මන් කරමු ඊට පස්සේ. හරි අපි දෙන්න anyway quickly finish and let me know. I could not find the tin opener. I searched everywhere in the kitchen. අනිවාර්යෙන් නමුත් කියන දස එන්න ඕනේ නම් although even though දෙකෙන් එකක් බලමු කොකද වඩාත්ම මැච් කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් වෙලා ගිහලා බලන්න එනවා. මොකද මම හැමතැනම මෙහෙවුවා නමුත් එනවා although කියන එක වඩා හොඳයි කියලා හිතෙනවා. බලමු උනට although තමයි ආන්සර් කිය හැක්කේ. හරි. Mrs. Pereira visits the nearby fair to buy vegetable. She has time to spare. Whenever. Right. Let's see. Whenever everyone enjoyed the meal. In spite of bad cooking. Even though මේකට even though දාලා පළලින්කට although දැම්ම හෝ මේකට although එකට even though තවුලක් නැහැ. I have heard about Italian food. I have not tasted it yet. Kumaran ordered thosai while Tanusha decided to have noodles. Okay, I'm starting from the beginning again. I could not find the tin opener. Although even though I search everywhere in the kitchen. Mrs. Pereira visits the nearby fair to buy vegetable whenever she has time to spare. Everyone enjoyed the meal in spite of bad cooking. Although even though one of them. I have never heard about Italian food. I have never tasted it. Kumaran ordered thosai while Tanusha decided to have noodles. Okay, next ones too, you have to connect and write a sentence and complete as much as possible. And we can stop, I mean not we can, we must stop for today because I have to start another class now, Puda. I can do more time like the last weeks, and I have to prepare the class and scenario. There are lots of things to do here, that's why. Yeah, anyway, see you next day in Piliandra class, not in your internet classes. Okay.